to Pacific Echo. For this video here, we are going to find the length of the unknown sides in this given right angle triangle. So by looking at the right angle triangle, we have 15 centimeter here and we have 11 centimeter here. So we are going to solve or find the value of x. So before we find the value of x, we need to first of all understand the equation of Pythagorean theorem. Now we are going to use the equation of Pythagorean theorem to solve this. So find the value of or the length of the unknown. Alright, so for Pythagorean theorem, we are going to use this equation here, or to find the length of the missing or the unknown length here, or unknown side. We are going to use the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared is equals to c squared. Alright, so this is the equation of the Pythagorean theorem that we are going to use to find the value of x. So for Pythagorean theorem, always remember that if we know the length of any two sides of a right angle triangle, then we can calculate the length of the third side. So for this given triangle here, we have 15 centimeter and we have 11 centimeters. So two sides of this given right angle triangle is given, so we are going to use these two sides to find the value of this unknown side. Alright, so let's continue. We are going to calculate or find the length of the unknown side. So again, we are going to use this equation here, the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so let's start 15. We have 15 square plus 11 square is equals to x square is equals to x square. Alright, so now we are going to make x become the subject, which is x squared is equals to 15 square is 225 minus 11 square is 121. In case you might be wondering why I am subtracting 121 from 225. Well, remember that 15 centimeter is the hypotenuse, and in a right angle triangle, the length of the hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the square of the length of the other two sides. Therefore, if we are going to find if hypotenuse is given here and the other side is given here, then we are going to subtract this side from the hypotenuse to find the value of x. So this is why I am subtracting 121 from 225. So I hope you understand this. Now, without any delay, let's move on, or let's continue with our solution. All right, let's go. So 225 minus 121 is equal to 104. So we have 104x square. 104x square. And now we are going to find the square root of 104. So square root of 104, square root of 104 is 10.2. Alright, so if you're using your calculator, you can find the square root. You will end up getting a lot of numbers after the decimal point. But for this case here, we are rounding it up to one decimal point, so we have 10.2. So there we go. The length of the unknown side is 10.2 centimeter. I hope you understand this. I'll get you in the next video.